Presenting the Nokia G21 Android smartphone, dual SIM, 3-day battery life, 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 50MP AAA camera, Nordic blue. It comes in color options of dusk and Nordic blue. The phone has display of 16.51 centimeters. The phone also has 90 Hz refresh rate, side fingerprint and face unlock. It has 50MP AAA rear camera. It has powerful AI imaging modes. It comes with 5050 mAh battery and up to 3 days battery life. It has 4GB RAM, expandable memory up to 512GB, and 64GB internal storage. It runs on 2 years of Android OS upgrades and pure Android 11 OS. It is powered by Unisoc T606 processor. It also features rear camera and dual SIM, face unlock and camera. The delivery box contains handset, brick box and 5V2A charger, Type-C charger, quick start guide and safety booklet. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.